I'm Jay Desio with Drone-Works. The Autel EVO is one of my favorite aircraft. I can use a remote screen for the live view when I need to, or I can use a smartphone for a larger display. Certain missions may require an even larger display, but a tablet won't fit in the mobile device holder standard on the EVO's remote. Fortunately, there is a solution. Let's take a look. The LifThor EVO is a tablet holder specifically designed for the EVO remote and is now available from Drone-Works. There are two main components to the LifThor EVO, the base unit and the tablet holder. Remove the stock mobile device holder using a screwdriver to remove the screw. Be sure to put the mobile device holder and the screw in a safe place. On the back of the LifThor base unit, remove the two thumb screws and remove the back plate. Turn the base unit over and loosen the thumb screw so the bracket moves freely. I suggest inserting the USB cable before attaching the base unit. Insert the EVO remote into the LifThor base unit. Seat the EVO remote against the plate that sits between the remote handles. Route the USB cable so it doesn't bind between the remote and the LifThor. Seat the back of the remote and move the LifThor bracket into place. Secure the LifThor to the remote using the provided thumb screw. Turn the base unit and remote over, tighten the thumb screw. Reinstall the back plate. Align the notches on the bottom of the back plate to the bottom assembly. Insert and tighten the two thumb screws. Remove the nut from the tablet holder assembly. Place the nut over the ball on the lower assembly. Place the tablet mount over the ball on the lower assembly. Use gentle pressure to force the tablet mount onto the ball. Slide the nut up and tighten the nut enough so the tablet mount does not move easily. Your LifThor EVO is now ready for your tablet. Spread the upper tablet clamps apart. The tablet holder has both a ratchet and spring-loaded retention mechanism. Slide the extendable upper arms upward enough for your tablet to fit. Place your tablet in the tablet holder and push the upper clamps downward to secure your tablet. Connect the cable to your tablet. You are now ready to fly using the LifThor EVO. Order your LifThor EVO now at Drone-Works. www.drone-works.com